Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best customer-rated chicken coops that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Best Choice Products 80 inches Wooden Chicken Coop. It is made with rain-resistant fir wood that is not only durable but will also keep your animals safe and protected from harsh weather conditions. The coop also comes with an easy-to-access nesting box near the roofing top that can be opened or closed when feeding, cleaning, or collecting eggs. There is also a raised housing area and a spacious caged running area that will provide your pets a spacious living enclosure. Accessing any part of this coop has been made pretty simple, credit to a design that comprises 2 doors that can be closed, locked with a metal rod. The nesting box is also easy to open or close. The cage has a sliding door that allows chicken and other pets to effortlessly move between the lower and the raised housing units. Given that it's paramount to provide your animals a comfortable living environment, the maintenance of 80 inches wooden chicken coop is cheap. It comes with a detachable bottom sliding tray where droppings can be easily accessed and emptied. The wire fencing enhances ventilation while at the same time keeps your animals safe from predators. Moving on at number 4, we have Pawhut 83 inches Wooden Backyard Chicken Coop. Pawhut is an outdoor chicken made from the best grade of fir wood and comes as a complete structure to suit your home and garden. It ranks among the best backyard chicken coops and usually cheaper compared with others in the market. The assembly of Pawhut chicken coop should not take you more than 4 hours. Although the wood seems quite thin, it is strong enough, mainly when standing still on a flat surface. It can withstand strong winds, but it is recommendable to avoid some outdoor activities like baseball near the unit. You can make it stronger by placing it against a wall or a corner. The entire chicken coop measures 83.25 in length, 35.5 in width, and 48 inches in height. It weighs 83 pounds, which means 2 people can move it around. Although this coop can hold up to 3 mature chickens, 4 to 5 can still fit in the henhouse if your breed is not that large. All the doors come with small metal rods and you can close and lock them from the outside. Thus, you won't have to worry about the chickens sneaking outside the coop to roam outside. The Pawhut chicken coop is suitable for nearly all weather because it comes with a very good insulation. However, it's worth adding some insulation materials if you reside in an area that is very cold. At number 3, we have SnapBlock Formax Large Chicken Coop. This coop is the best chicken house that has been upgraded to provide large and more spacious units for you chickens. It is made of double-walled polyethylene that can withstand the harshest weather conditions and chemicals. Credit to its maintenance-free design, your main focus will shift to the best aspects of rearing a small chicken flock. You will enjoy collecting eggs. Cleaning this cage is a breeze thanks to a sliding tray that lets you remove droppings and add more fresh litter. Ventilation is adjustable with a vent located on the front and another one on the rear top of the roof. This will allow free flow of air in warmer days, and you can minimize the flow during the cold months. For proper air circulation, the topmost remains open. The cage is double-walled, meaning your birds stay warm on chilly nights. At number 2, we have PetsFit Weatherproof Outdoor Chicken Coop. This coop comes with 2 doors in front, plus there is a nesting box area where your hens can lay eggs. There is another door with stairs where your chicken can easily enter in and out. Measuring 53 L by 25 inches W by 28 inches H, it's a perfect option if you have a small yard. It can comfortably accommodate 3 to 4 grown-up chicken. Although the main roof cannot be opened, the nest box contains a hinged roof where you can easily access the eggs. The coop is mostly made of fir wood. Coating is made by waterproof paint to make it durable and capable of withstanding all kinds of weather. It features improved ventilation which allows air to circulate from the slab gaps located at the bottom. For cleaning purposes, there are 3 removable floor panels. At 62.2 pounds, this cage is heavy enough for predators to move but lightweight for repositioning by 2 people. And finally at number 1, Pawhut 124 inches Dual Backyard Chicken Coops. Homeowners with spacious backyards can provide their chickens with plenty of living space to play and run with these best Chicken Coops kits from Pawhut. They are specially designed to give your chickens everything they require to safely stay outdoors while enjoying a fun-filled life. These coops come with a two-pronged symmetry plan which features an expansive area where chicken can easily play and run. To make things easy, there are 4 entrances and the roof is designed to open to the inside for effortless cleanup and maintenance. This special feature makes it rank among the top-rated chicken coops you can find around. Another unique feature is the chicken nesting box, which provides a safe area where your hens can lay eggs. It is a tray, which makes it easier for you to collect eggs. The cage also has a detachable tray to ease cleaning and maintenance. The cage also has various accommodations features like double chicken nesting box. It is hinged from the top and offers a convenient way to deposit or pick eggs. There are perches where your flock can roost on at any time of the day. There are 2 screened windows for proper ventilation and air circulation. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.